Good evening. Hello. Welcome. Thank you for coming. My name is Dennis Campbell, and I'm privileged to be the chairman of the Historical Museum of South Florida. It's my great pleasure to welcome this distinguished group to celebrate the first annual Legal Legends Banquet. As many of you know, the 11th Judicial Circuit Historical Society is a part of the museum that's dedicated to the celebration of the rich legal history in this community. It's a very important night because we're here tonight to honor the prominent members of the legal profession that set the standards for us all. Events like tonight simply do not happen. They come about as a result of a lot of hard work and dedication of the people, staff from the museum, and other members of the legal community that have, founded this society. I'd like to express my sincere thanks and extend a warm welcome to my partner Frank Ramos, the chairman of the society. He's a partner with the firm of Clark Silver Lake Campbell. He is a talented litigator, a published author, a frequent CLE lecturer, and he's a proud father of 2 children. With great respect and admiration that I present to you Frank Ramos. Please join me in welcoming Frank.
Is this great or what? Great event tonight. Thanks for joining us this evening. And I want to thank all of you for supporting our first gala. Thanks to you, this event is a huge success. I want to especially thank our board members, most of whom are with us this evening. And if you can hold your applause to the end. If our board members can stand as their names are called out and stay standing until we've gone through the entire list. The Honorable Beth Blue, the Honorable Bennett Drummer, Amir Burrows, Jonathan Clausen, Manuel Dobrinsky, Catherine Zell, Elizabeth Fernandez, the Honorable Mario Goderich, the Honorable Gerald Kogan, Thomas Loeb, Robert Parks, Ron Penna, the Honorable Janet Reno, the Honorable Harry Rubin, Daniel Rogers, the Honorable Catherine Fernandez-Rondo, George Smith, the Honorable Patricia Sykes, Joe Sirota, the Honorable Scott Silverman, H.T. Smith, Brian Tannenbaum, the Honorable Gerald Weatherington, and Burton Young. This is your Board of Trustees. And of course, this past year, this event wouldn't be possible without all the hard work of the staff at the Historical Museum. They are Chris Blanco, Stephanie Broad, Marcia Canner, Christy Lorette, Hilda Mesa, David Morales, Allison Prieto, Kara Sinsich, and Judy Wiggins. Thank you so much for coming and enjoy the rest of your evening.
I guess that was my cue. Good evening. It is wonderful to be here among many old friends. Burton Young I met 30 years ago, and so many others in this room whom I have known over the years, and so it is a real privilege for me to be part of this extraordinary evening honoring a dozen men and women in our community who have distinguished themselves in the legal profession by the way they have practiced law, by the way they have held public office, by the way they have served on the bench in our state and federal courts. I need not tell you, of all people, that lawyers are an easy target for late-night comedians and unimaginative newspaper columnists looking for someone to hold up to ridicule. But the dozen people who are being honored tonight, and generally you hear a name like Legal Legends and you say, spare me the hyperbole. Well, tonight it's not hyperbolic. These dozen people are the antithesis and the antidote to all those cheap jokes and cheesy columns. As a reporter in South Florida for 3 decades, I've come into contact, as I said, with virtually all of the honorees tonight, and that is why when Brian called me and asked me to be the MC tonight, I said yes. It's going to be a wonderful evening, so please enjoy the dinner, and we will be back with you shortly with the program.